Yeah.
Welcome to my humble home. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey. Have a seat. Sit down. Last killer. That's a. I got it. The virus one. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? That's a lie, man. I don't want to go on my mind, Charlie, I got a surprise for you. Sorry. Yes, this is my new queen. Ifya, this is my brother, senior brother, Virus. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is my brother that I've been talking about. Yeah. He's very, very jovial, funny, loud. Yeah. You will love being with him, seriously.
I hear.
Yeah.
You have a nice place.
Oh, thank you. You know, we being boys, and she don't need the TV anymore. You know, saying your laptop beer. And Bob was so sad, I did with you.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can I get you any drink? Yeah, water or anything?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? Mate Brappeni. Hey, so catch him say, Kevin catch him say, do no. Yeah, Obebabeji.
Kevin.
Kevin Muni.
Utimi on never be only Hokwaba. Kevin so bad.
Oh, say, but now we
I'm going to make a yes.
We're sorry, Brappeni virus! He's such a lovely person. Mr. Brown,
Are you okay?
Oh, why not? He's okay. Just say, well, sorry, in tears. See, another one in tears. Now, the over better if you over spending some good. The over to
I see.
That's what it is. So, let me go and show you my room then.
Okay.
Chama that to the know.
Oh, okay.
A man got do. Brappeni virus back up. Hey, always busy on his lap. What's up?
Business and
Hey. Say YouTube line, I say. You see, I know 11K no subscribers.
Someone I'm a dear girl.
Hey, bro, really. Rapper, the said, back for a friend said, goes in for Dubai Island, Abba. It's me, Brantam, and it's a niggas in be not calm, my no. It's a company, Russian on a coy.
Guys, I'm fuck up my memory. My guys don't fuck up my memory.
Oh, okay.
Baby, I'm so chill.
Yeah.
See, you're not for Brantam.
Oh, why not?
See, catch me. Food burn up.
Food burn up pay. You know, say, I love jollof rice, but jollof, you know, say, in Chen, yes, you know. Any other timame broken.
Matse, me prepare Matse.
I love this thing. Come on.
Tino, come on,
but the tenant say, take good care of my brother for me. Why only me brother is on your hand, but take good care of him, yeah?
Matse, so no one him say, I'm cool with him, and then.
That's what it is.
You can ask him.
Brappeni, I have a crush.
Mommy John crying.
Oh, okay.
Brantam.
But I'm gonna miss you, yeah?
I'll miss you too.
Wait, bro, come here. I'll put you on a call for home.
Virus.
So that's all we know. Eviana sometimes what say if we are no one. And now say because if we are in the trap house and not so be seen name.
Minim say we are seeing
trouble way back kwasa na ma na me ye no. Unsa na ma na me ye say woman burkina so ye me den. Unsa wa kwa is a minu aketo na person san ben sa ho. See, let me be honest with you. Empaso ta.
Virus.
I'm office when your baby out done. When you saw a coffee snake under grass.
That was then.
That was one then.
And I only an a coming him sending you and one coming in a chamber fear.
Okay, why I didn't know about who sending you and a man. I didn't know one returning and one uncle. Now as we see Fiazi as a whole mission about completing. Over Sam Busha.
Virus. And fuck my team.
Over Sam.
And fuck my team, Cassasa.
Me, I know because I'm on India way. But me, I will make sure say this relationship will not stand. To me, mom and another chain. Make sure say we are no can back within these 3 days. If I never feel vehicle, I won't allow you to come and ruin his life.
Only are not paying. Into now, or best say me person metina. And now, what was them now? Can I cry? That was then. It is a wound, and say, or no one near ready say, obey me. I only want to say, oh, Baba catch him, say, me break up. Just like that. Huh? You know, he's old enough.
That's our lifestyle. Go Korean. I say, we're not married, and I still like one more day. Okay. Who owns the city?
Virus. Oh God. You don't kind of be better if you were saying. Stana.
Someone catch on one tea and I say what in our boss will be. Because I remember how many days my first years.
Miss Wasama make a show once you.
No, person okay to problem of you. No, person okay to problem of Yazana.
Oh, say, Mamma, Mamma, is not has seen Mamma. Baby, ask me, see. Me say, I seem now meant to make a show once you. Huh? And you won't now be decided. I didn't know person who dated like in your phone. I didn't know when I go out, now when you make check. That's a walk of family and not missing you. I know about me. Why are you still in this house? What kind of nonsense? That was an audio fiazan. When you are no can't share me so one penny. Or no, bet me, I can share me say, be a young will fear say. It's only right to be as a baby. Mother catch me say me free fear say, please. I have had enough.
To them, be some questions to one cassa, then I will what they for quadrant. Analyze it one cassa, the way they find. Until who answer say, I want dating or between you. Until who said, and you're right. Sell because I said, why don't you live the poor boy's life for him? Now only living a life. Why are you trying to do this? Why?
Me live a poor guy. I am a children anymore. Me so
no, you are a nice girl. You understand? Like there's no intimidation. Yes, on your nice girl. You are a pretty one. But lifestyle be on my way. Yeah, December.
Virus.
You understand?
Cecilia, it's like you are threatening me.
I'm not threatening you. You're quite fast with time, crowd. And yet, when you say like if you meet by me, what you answer so. I really loved you, and then you knew it.
Virus.
You understand?
You love me. Hey.
Me, one thing I know about love is it doesn't fade. If you truly love somebody, out of sight they cool. But like when you're going to banana, baby has answered.
You are ashamed of yourself.
For what? For
you are ashamed of yourself. Say me, that's what
I started everything with you.
That was then. So just leave me alone.
No, but
you just get out.
As you are talking now, so then I am telling me back. We can still continue.
Virus, are you mad? Just get out. Leave here.
Leave here. Did you just slap me?
Yes, I slapped you. Leave here. Leave here and go. Virus, don't ever try this thing again. What is your name?